This video is going to look at percent application. We're going to first start off by recalling how to change percents to decimals. And all you would do is just move the decimal 2 places to the left. And you'd get 0.24. From here would be 0.08, 0.09, 0.25, 0.15, 0.05, 0.04, 0.14. So you're just moving it 2 places to the left. All right, and then rounding money is, you're going to round it up to the nearest cent. So you would look at the 9. If that's 5 or higher, you bump it up. So this one becomes 3.30. This one becomes 27.96. This stays 1.56. This stays 5.59. That's higher than 5, so this one changes to 72.18. You're bumping it up just 1 penny. That's 3, so it stays the same. 4.52. That's 7, so it goes up to 43.83. This is 5.59. 9.03. And 77.54. So if you round up just 1 penny. Some of the vocabulary for this video for this unit is sales price, which is the discounted price at which goods and services are being sold. The original price, which is the price paid for an item. And then your words that mean addition or sales tax, an amount paid in addition to the purchase price. A tip or gratuity, which is a small amount of money paid in return for services. A markup is the amount a store increases the price of an item. In commission, the fee or percentage allowed to a salesperson or agent for his or her services. And then your subtracting words are discount, the amount by which the regular price is reduced, and then markdown, the amount a store reduces the price is reduced. So we don't need that right there. All right, and then to find sales tax, tip, markup, markdown, and discount, we're just going to do the item cost times the percent as a decimal. So in our first example, Sam is buying an Iron Man suit for Halloween. The suit costs $774.99. The sales tax rate for the suit is 13%. And then how much is the sales tax? It's only asking for the sales tax. So we'll take the cost and do $74.99, and then change that 13% to a decimal, which is the reason we've done that at the top, and that would be 0.13. And all we have to do is multiply, and we get 100.7487. Look at that cent spot, and that'll round to 100.75 cents. Example 2, Bob wants to leave a 12% tip for his meal. If the meal costs $36.55, how much is the tip? They're just asking for the tip. So we take $36.55, multiply it by 12% as a decimal, and we get 4.386. Look at the penny spot, and that will round to $4.39 as the tip. Example 3. An auto mechanic charges 40% markup of an air filter that costs him $14.95. What would the markup be? We say $14.95, and then multiply that times 0.40, and we get $5.98. There's nothing to round there. Example 4. Jamie goes to a shoe store. Every shoe on the shelf is 35% off the marked price. She falls in love with a pair of red heels that are marked $64.99. What is the markdown? So we take the $64.99 and then we multiply it by the 35 cents as a decimal, and we get 22.7465. Look at the penny, and that rounds to 22.75 cents. And then commission is calculated pretty much the same way. Mr. Pickford works at a GameStop in her spare time. She earns 8% commission for all sales. She sold $1,500 in the month of November. What was her commission? So you take that $1,500 and then multiply it by 8% as a decimal, and you get $120 in commission. Number 6 is a little different because Mr. Tucker earns $250 per week regardless of what he sells in an appliance store. In addition, he earns 2% commission on all of his sales. Last week he sold $2,800 worth of appliances. What was Mr. Tucker's total income? So if we do the $2,800 and then multiply it by the 2% commission, and then we're going to add that $250 he gets every week. And when you multiply those and add that, his check for that week is going to be $306. If you have any questions about this, please ask.